Today we begin Lesson 1. In the first part of Lesson 1, we'll be learning about place value. Let's start off with a three-digit number, 852. When we come up with the value of each digit, I like to think about money. If this were a money amount, the 8 would be worth 8 hundreds, $800 bills. 5 is worth 5 tens, which is like 5 $10 bills. And 2 is worth 2 ones, which is like 2 $1 bills. Now, let's stop and think about this, and you can pause the video if you'd like to talk about this. What exactly does place value mean? Really, place value just means the value of each digit in a number. Now let's look at a place value chart. In this chart, the 3 in the tens place has a value of 30. Okay, right here, the 3 in the tens place has a value of 30. Now look at letter B. The 3 in the tens place has a value that is 10 times the value of the 3 in the ones place. Let's look at that. Here's 3 in the tens place. Here's 3 in the ones place. This 3 is worth 30. This 3 is only worth 3. So that's 10 times the value, or 10 times greater. Now, here's a place value chart with a larger number and an added heading at the top. Notice right here we have this heading, and this heading is talking about periods. Let's read this. Numbers with more than 3 digits have a comma to separate groups of 3 digits. Digits in groups of 3 places are called periods. Here is where we write the numbers shown above in standard form. Now, standard form is the way we usually see numbers. And we're going to talk about standard form. We're going to learn about word form and expanded form. Let's look next. Here, we're going to try word form first. We're going to be using the same number that we just looked at, 467,000. Notice that's that period name. And then 882. Okay, expanded form is when we write a number out showing the place value of each digit. Take a look here, 400,000, 60,000, 7,000, and so on. Okay, let's talk just a minute. How are our 3 forms alike and different? Okay, standard form, word form, and expanded form. We know they're different, They're different by standard form uses digits, word form uses words, and expanded form uses place value. We know they're alike because all 3 forms do show a number's value. Okay, now I would like you to stop the video and try this number on your own. Come up with the standard form, word form, and expanded form.